Russian cargo aircraft is it's taken off the back of this 747-800. I think this kind of aircraft doesn't really require a long runway, but I'll see how, when he rolled down, I'll see how fast he's going. But due to this wing swivel, I think it's takeoff easy, because this runway in Baku is really short. So let's see if you give him a clearance now. As you see him in the back of this 747, see? Now he's advancing throttles. That's a Russian aircraft. And he's going now. He's going, as you see. As you see. See, he's going fast because it's 4 engines. And it's a small body actually for the 4 engines. But it's a Russian aircraft. I don't know what's the power on these engines, but I think he's gonna take off very soon. See, I think he's gonna pull up. No, he did not pull